Hello everyone, in this project series I will be making a DIY 7 horsepower compressor. The compressor pump I bought is $220 Vevor pump from AliExpress. It had good reviews and was very cheap for its presumed performance. The purpose of building a new compressor is simple. My CNC plasma table uses a lot of compressed air, roughly 300 liters per minute at 6 bars. My old compressors could keep up with its usage, but they are very loud and rather inefficient. That's why I have two of them. The new compressor, hence its low rotation speed, should be way quieter and more efficient, because it has two-stage compression. For this build I will be using a 40 by 40 mm square pipe with wall thickness of 2 mm. I will also be using 5 mm steel plates for mounting the motor, as well as 2 mm plates for heavy covers and shelves, so the weight of mounted elements won't bend them. I will also be using 1 mm steel plates as covers for all leftover spaces. Entire construction is welded together to keep the maximum strength. All the steel plates will be cut using my DIY CNC plasma table. For a compressor it's not very important to keep everything square, but it looks way better. I'm using magnets and clamps to keep material from moving during welding. All the bigger holes I need for mounting the motor and other equipment are drilled using my DIY CNC mill, because it's way more stable than my cheap drill press. As you can see, the pump fits perfectly in its cavity. On the bottom I will fit a 7 horsepower 3-phase motor which will power the pump with 2 V-belts. The belt tension can be adjusted by sliding the motor in its mount. The entire machine will stand on 4 legs, each of them has a maximum load of 150 kg. The compressor should weigh around 100 kg, so it will be very stable. In the next video I will be working on the controls of the compressor. I will be wiring everything up, and I will perform the first dry run of the motor, and as well as the test of the inputs and outputs of my DIY controller. As for now, it's everything in this video. If you have any thoughts or there's something you'd do differently, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.